Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to talk about Bluetooth smart hose timer. As you can see, it made by Hunter and model is BTT, I believe 1426. We'll talk a little bit in detail. But before that, I just want to show you where I am using. I have a no dig plastic tubing and I have a drip system for my trees. I have planted a couple trees already, but in the future I'm going to plant a lot of fruit trees and a lot of other trees. I also going to use this timer for here, this small area for veggie. I'm going to start growing some veggie, and I have already installed the tubing, but only the sprinkle left. So if you have something like that, you want to have some drip system for your trees and something, this is really amazing. It's not really expensive. The price is all over the place. I was checking, you can buy a little bit different model with the 2 station, with the 1 station. There's a variety of the controllers you can buy. They cost from $45 to like $100, depend on your need. If you need a 2 station, might be like $70, 3 station, 4 station, whatever. But I'm gonna do, I will install here splitter, and I believe drip system need a water almost every day, and the veggie might be next day when I need it. Then I can open that valve, or I can have another one this side. So let's talk about this little smart controller. This is Bluetooth, it's not Wi-Fi. So this controller only gonna show on your phone when you close to the range. If you go far, you're not gonna see. But whatever the schedule you have it's gonna proceed. It's gonna keep doing water according to your schedule. First, I'm gonna show you the back side, the serial number and the model number if you're really interested. Actually, I'm going to show picture because you can find all information on this label. This is made by Hunter, model BTT-100 Bluetooth hose timer. Water working pressure is 7 psi to 116 psi. As for voltage, you need a 2 AA alkaline batteries. That's all the battery you needed. They released for like a year or 2 years. It's required 2 AA batteries. You just simply pull, and the battery lasts really long time. These batteries are there for a year, but right now it's just only 20%. I believe I will replace it. Anytime I open a app, it shows me low battery. So that's all you have to do. Then here on the front, there's only one button. This button you need a first time when you are setting up. Other than you just can turn on and off water from here manually. If I press and hold, you hear click, water on, and my drip system will be on. You can see, start it. We're gonna press and hold, it's gonna go off. So that's all you have to do, turn off and on from here. But for schedule, you have to install one of the app. It look like this. It says Hunter BTT. When you open, it's gonna scan. You're gonna show you your controller, and once you click on controller, this time it's gonna show me my low battery, but it'll be okay. So this is like schedule off. I'm gonna put an auto. As you can see, I have a schedule. All the settings are here. You can also turn on manually. You can also timer, cycle. There's a lot of things you can do. Right now, it also show me my battery 21%. This is just a wrap-up video. Like you can just buy if you want. I'm just I also have a smart rain delay. It's also a weather control. Like if it's gonna be raining, then I have to put only 2-day delay. Like it's 2 day not gonna have a water. So hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.